Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the obvious but crucial items. Check the code for smudges and type it exactly, because one wrong character blocks redemption. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Microsoft/Xbox account that should receive the balance. Codes redeem to that profile. Also verify region and currency, since many Xbox gift cards are region-locked. Doing these steps first prevents common failure modes and saves time. Now, you're ready to move on to the more detailed troubleshooting steps. Next, redeem the code using Xbox. com/redeem or directly on the console, type slowly and double-check characters to avoid input errors. If redemption fails, test your network. Restart the router, run the console network test, and try a wired connection because intermittent Wi-Fi often blocks the server handshake. Make sure the console and Microsoft account are updated. Sometimes an outdated system or mismatched payment settings prevents acceptance. Once these measures are applied, retry redemption and watch for any specific error codes that guide the next steps. To finish, note any error codes and check your account purchase history to see if the credit is applied or pending. This clarifies whether the issue is display delay versus transaction failure. If errors persist, contact Xbox support chat or phone, provide the code, purchase receipt, and error details so they can trace activation. If the card came from a reseller, confirm activation with them and request proof or a refund if not activated. One key tip: keep the receipt and code image. Support often requires them to resolve activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.